What's going on, everybody? This is Lewis from Up to Something New. I'm here with Nadja. We just arrived at our campground at Silver Lake up in Mono County. We are currently on the Agnew trailhead. We are making our way up about 2 miles from the campsite up to Agnew Lake. We'll probably be there pretty soon. We'll let you know how it goes. To your left right here is Silver Lake. We are probably still 1 mile and 3/4 to the top. It's just a beautiful view from up here. Switchbacks. We don't know if we're halfway, if we're over a mile, but it looks like we see some pretty bad news in front of us. It looks pretty steep, and those look like stairs. Our goal is to get up there, but man, is this beautiful. I guess you guys will find out. So good news, guys, though, that weird trail that we thought it was, it's not a trail at all. It's not stairs. It is a tramway. It goes all the way up there. I mean, I guess you could climb up there.
You wanna go?
I don't, no. I'm gonna follow the trail, I wanna get to that waterfall. And it goes all the way down there. Alright guys, we finally made it up here to Agnew Lake. It took us 2 hours exactly from the campsite at Silver Lake to climb 2 miles to get up here. I believe we climbed at least 1,500 feet. It wasn't too bad. We're not experienced this yet. And yeah, after this we're going to go down to the Horsetail waterfall that we saw on the way up. Check it out next. Alright, now we made it down, I wouldn't say halfway, but probably close halfway, and we're going to take the little cutoff to see Horsetail Falls. We're now reaching the end of our hike. We just got back close to the campgrounds. Took us about an hour and 15 minutes to get back down, a lot easier. We want to thank you for watching this video. Maybe you'll catch us in the next one. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.